For this Wednesday morning, starting with JADA MALVEAUX out of Fort Scott. Happy 10th birthday to you, JADA.
JADA, happy birthday. We've also got KATELYN Cook. She celebrated her birthday yesterday. She is turning 14 in the great city of Lamar.
We head back over to state line to Riverton. Happy 16th, the Sweet 16 for LYNDSY Ferguson. Happy birthday, LYNDSY.
We got another Sweet 16, this one just a little to the north in Pittsburgh. It's Emma MAYHEW. So very happy birthday to you, Emma. Go out there, get that driver's license, and watch out, because Nick Kelly's on the road too.
Moving on, we went ahead to Nevada. Brooklyn KUTINA-SMITH. Hope we got the last name right, Brooklyn, but welcome to adulthood. Happy 18th birthday to you.
And this one, this is a little bit of a correction on our side. Dallas McCoy, we showed the incorrect age yesterday. He's actually turning 71 in Erie. So a happy birthday to you, Dallas McCoy in Erie.
And happy birthday from the grandkids to Pauline TROTH out of Pittsburgh, Kansas. That certainly looks like a happy grandmother right there.
Absolutely. And we're heading to Chetopa, where Mary Hess also celebrating a birthday. A very happy birthday to Mary. And of course, the most important news of the day, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So, if you want to be able to do that, here's how. You go to KOAMNewsNow.com, you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.